We're going to show you the 2 water rides in Toon Lagoon for a short vlog. So come with us as we take the GoPro to show the Dudley Do-Right and Popeye. Popeye, we're going to get so soaked. This is where the boats get soaked, right there. And they just started the ride back up because there was lightning in the area. And this is up here, Untitled, right there. Yep, we're going on it. The ride was only a 25-minute wait, but with Express, we walked right on. Now, we've done Express videos, the benefits, and how much time you save, so definitely check that out if you're interested. This is basically a raft ride where you just have buckets of water poured on you. Are you ready, buddy? Yeah, it's fine. Guess we'll see.
Mommy, we suck. Oh man! Oh man! Oh no! Another wet bug! It's starting! Oh no! What the fuck? Fourth time! Blue guy!
Next up is Dudley Do-Rights, which is basically like Splash Mountain, a big drop, actually quite a few drops, and lots of little animatronics. You're able to take the GoPro on Popeye, but with these next 2, I used my sunglasses camera just because I don't want you holding any objects, but you are allowed to wear sunglasses. You are?
What's up, babe? Yeah.
Oh, got her.
Uh-oh, he's trapped.
Hey, you're going the wrong way.
Woohoo! That was actually really fun.
Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo!
I
Dudley,
Go wet. Get wet, buddy.
Look up there.
Give up, Whiplash! Maltese once more.
Ow! It's actually really fun.
Yeah, it is fun. Okay.
Okay, I got it. Hold me! Oh, we're gonna get soaked.
Here it is.
All right, are you ready? Again?
Can we still go on the Jurassic
Yeah,
Park?
yeah.
This bathroom's right next to Jurassic Park.
More fun than Popeye.
Yeah, it is more fun than Popeye. Popeye's just getting wet. This is like awesome drops.
Now I'm ready.
All three of these rides are at Islands of Adventure at Universal Orlando, and we did do Express again, cutting all these people.
No feed animals.
Nope, don't feed the dinosaurs, okay?
Oh, they're working now.
Flow through a new
Buddy's never seen it. We've been on this 100 times.
Giants walk the earth. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Oh, he's cute.
It's an Ultrasaur. That's what it says.
Dinosaurs in this new
He's cute.
Yet despite their awesome
Do you have a beard?
these gentle giants pose no threat. Beasts are the most primitive of the horned dinosaurs.
Oh, that guy is ugly.
Herbivores that includes Triceratops.
You should have made him blink. Oh, he blinks. That one is the cutest.
Savage predators of their native period.
And there's one over here too.
I know. Oh.
With plenty of vegetation from their native period,
Yeah.
ensuring long, healthy lives for these magnificent animals.
This is Jurassic Park Animal Control. It looks like one of the hadrosaurs has knocked your boat off course.
This is
You
my
are
favorite
entering the
part.
raptor containment area. Doors in the raptor containment area. We've got to get those people out of there.
Now it's Hannah. Did they change it?
Grab the boat.
That was good stuff.
I want to say a big thank you to Maddie.
Our Patreon link is down below. Any support is so appreciated, and thank you so much.
Subscribe. More videos.
Good to subscribe.
Subscribe.
I said subscribe.